Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TronBank token. Now before we start the video, let's say medical disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, TronBank TBK is an energy leasing and TRX staking protocol built on the Tron blockchain. The platform facilitates a dual-sided marketplace that allows users to reduce on-chain transaction fees by up to 70% through flexible energy rentals, while enabling TRX holders to earn annualized yields for 10% up and 30% via smart contract governance staking. The ecosystem is powered by the TBK token, which functions as a value capture mechanism for the protocol. TronBank utilizes a deflationary economic model where 100% of the revenue generated from energy leasing and voting rewards is used to purchase and burn TBK token. To enhance efficiency, the platform integrates AI algorithms for energy distribution and revenue management. TronBank has secured strategic banking from institutional investors, including BlockX, K300 Ventures, and CoinTime, and maintains a total issuance of 1 billion TBK token distributed across community nodes, staking rewards, and institutional partners. TronBank project institution rating is 3.7. TronBank token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 159.15 million TBK token. TBK token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.